Hello, friends. I hope you all are doing good. So, in this video, we'll study the 11th unit of our data science syllabus, which is logistic regression modeling. So, we'll cover two parts. The first is how to perform logistic regression using Python, and the second part is how to perform Poisson regression using Python. So, let's start our video. So, what is logistic regression? Logistic regression helps when we want to make yes or no predictions. Basically, binary prediction, which in which yes is 1 and the no is 0. For example, let's say we want to predict if a customer has a store credit card or not. Logistic regression is perfect for situation when the answer is either 1 or 0. So basically, it works on the binary data. How to perform logistic regression using Python? Doing logistic regression in Python is simple. First, load the data. First, we load the data and predict and separate the predictor variables and the response variable. Here, predictor variables are days and web, and the response variable are CC for credit card. As you can see in the code, first we have imported the pandas library and then the stats model.api, and then we have load the data. We have used the read CSV function to read our CSV file, that is comma separated value, and put that in a variable sales train. And then we have uses dot frame data frame, in which we have put our variable sales train, and in that a predictor variables days and web. And similarly, adding a constant term and doing the same thing in our y block in the y data, that sales train CC, that is the response variable credit card. And then we have to build and fit the model. Next, we use logit and fit functions to build and fit the model. So we have used the logit functions to build the model. We have created a variable log_reg model equal to dot sm dot logit, where sm is the stats model API, and then log reg model dot summary, and then then we'll check the result using summary to we check how well the model perform. So by the help of the summary, we can check how well our model has performed. Logistic regression gives an output in probabilities, meaning it shows the chances that the answer is yes, 1, or no, 0. So this is all about the logistic regression. Now we'll see the Poisson regression. Poisson regression is used when we want to predict a count of events. So basically, it counts the number of events, like the number of times a customer will call customer service. It provides count type answers like 1, 2, 3, 0. Now we'll see how to perform Poisson regression using Python. We have to just follow these steps. First, we have to load and convert the data. First, we load the data and convert any categorical data to a dummy variable. Here we have imported the required libraries, same as pandas and stats model, and then we have created a variable corn, and we have read our CSV file, and then we have created the dummies of corn, and we have dropped first equal to true, and then we have added the constant variable to our CSV file, and then we have used the data frame to module the y. Now we'll see how to fit the Poisson model. Using the GLM function and Poisson family, we fit the Poisson regression model. So we have created a PoisReg model variable, and we have used the GLM function in which we have passed the Y dataset, X dataset, and we have created a variable family in which we have put the Poisson function sm.families.poisson.fit to fit the Poisson regression model. And then we have calculated the summary, and then at last we'll check the result using summary. We can check the results of the model and see which predictor is important. In short, logistic regression is used for binary yes or no, and Poisson regression used for count predictions. So friends, this is all from the video. I hope you understood the lecture. Thanks for watching. Bye.